Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now this is that one video which I wanted to film in October, but then I got excited with so many other different kinds of videos and I was like pehle un pe work karte hain, then I'll film this. And also I guess by this time filming this video is more appropriate because winters aa hi chuke hain. I mean it's December, so I want to show you my moisturizers and body lotions and everything collection which I keep them in a box like this. मुझे लग रहा है it गिर जाएगा, बहुत heavy है. These are products which are actually tested and proven by me and my whole family over months and even years. तो कोई भी से टेंशन लेने वाली बात नहीं है. Let's get started. I don't generally like winters, but I love winters for the fact that I just love moisturizing my skin all the time. I love body butters and creams and moisturizers so much. Okay, so starting with the first thing which I put on my body, just after getting out of the shower, I put body lotion on my body. So I have two options basically. I have one from Vaseline and one from Joy. You guys must be thinking, Joy, who uses this? I use it. I love it so much. पहले मुझे भी यही लगता था, but when I started using it, I absolutely fell in love with me. ठीक, कितनी self obsessed हूँ यार मैं. I basically fell in love with this one, but on some days when I don't feel like using this one, I use this one from Vaseline. This is their Deep Restore with Pure Oat Extract in 400 ml, 285 rupees. But I like this one more because इसमें you have honey and almond, so it's more nourishing and it does not give me sticky feeling. This on the other hand, I don't know, it just feels a little bit weird, not too much. I mean if you'll ignore it तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा, but I'm a bit crazy, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे सोचने लग जाती हूँ कि कैसा वो मुझे फील दे रहा है मेरी बॉडी पे. Anyway, ignore that. This one is priced at rupees only 175 and you're getting such a good quantity. I mean I just love it all the time. सोने से पहले भी I apply it on my hands. I love it this much. Now one body part which we usually don't pay attention to, not only in winters but throughout the whole day, is our ankles, our feet. So recently only I started using this natural foot cream from the Moms Co. This is just amazing. Pehle I never paid attention to my feet. I was like, okay, they are fine, but now that I'm more obsessed with myself, as you guys just heard, so I've been taking care of myself and my body a lot more, and this is why I got this one for myself. And this one is only priced at rupees 249. I mean this is such a nice gift also. You can gift it to someone and yeah, you can just apply it before going to bed and you will have nice smooth feet, which we all love. Creepy. Okay, so next I have the skin moisturizer from Biotique. It's their Bio Morning Nectar for all skin types. I'm so bad at this, but anyway, this is that one product which you guys only suggested me to buy and I just love it so much. This is perfect for all skin types and this is very like thin, not too thick and not too creamy, so बहुत ही easily it gets dissolved into your skin and gives you a very nice and fresh feeling throughout the day. Usually winters में whenever you're investing in moisturizers and creams, it gives you very weird sticky feeling and all the dust and pollution also gets stick to your skin, but this is just perfect. It does not do all of that things. Yeah, perfect for all skin types as well, and this one is priced at only rupees 280. So yeah. Next I have this cold cream from Charmis. Have you guys heard of Charmis? Like we have been using this moisturizing cream since like नानी के टाइम से. Actually I'm not even kidding, पहले इसकी दूसरी पैकेजिंग आती थी but they have redone the whole packaging again and this is how it looks like. Pretty pink color. Love it so much. I mean I'm not even kidding, we have been like my whole family religiously use this one on their arms and elbows, yeah, knees pe, neck pe. This is just like a perfect cold cream to invest in winters. Love the feeling. It also comes with vitamin A, C and E, which is great for skin of course, and this one is priced at rupees 180 only. Love it. You get such nice packaging with so many great ingredients and good quantity as well. Great. Okay, so apart from using regular body lotions on my body, of course, I also use this body butter from the Moms Co. This one is actually a gift sent to me by them, and you guys know my job. I just get products sent to me all the time, and once I start using them, I become obsessed and they just become a part of my collection and I just cannot let them go, and this is one of them. Now, what is the difference between body lotion and body butter actually, if you're, just wondering? So body butters are, it just lasts longer than usual body lotions, and for deep moisturizations it's just great. Yeah, like you can apply it all over your body or on parts of your body जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry रहते हैं, जो कि usual body lotion से ज़्यादा effect नहीं कर पाता है. What is up with me? Sonia, relax. Also, let me show you how it looks like. I love the consistency. It looks like actual butter, not even kidding. Henna smells amazing. Smells a little bit like butter but not too much. I mean the fragrance is very, you know, subtle and nice. Love it. Apart from body and skincare moisturizing creams, I also have hand creams. I absolutely love hand creams. I mean ये ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कि मेरे बैग में मतलब हमेशा रहती हैं, तुम्हें दिख जाएंगी, and I just can't do without them. I mean my life is literally incomplete without them. I need it all the time. Okay, so I have two options. So this one is from Burberry, the Brit Sheer for her. This one was actually a gift and I'm guessing it must be expensive, so I don't know. I won't recommend it to you guys, but if you want to get a really nice and decent hand cream for yourself, you can get this one. This one is from Colorbar. This one is priced at rupees only 275 and ये मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले ली थी and I still have it with me. I mean थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट ख़त्म हुआ है but yeah, the best part about this one is that इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ करना नहीं पड़ता. Just you know, pea size drop and you're just done. So guys, I am, you know, telling you the prices by looking at the product packaging, like MRP I'm telling you, but probably you can get all these products at much cheaper rate also, considering अगर किसी site पे discounts या sale चल रहा होगा. I'll try to find the best rates possible in description box down for you guys, so don't worry. Also, did you guys notice I still have, like most of the products I still have the outer packaging. I don't know why I don't throw them. I'm crazy. It's so weird. Now if you are someone who's looking for that very decent, बहुत ही ऐसे subtle अच्छा सा glow on your face and without, you know, your face looking too much sticky in winter, so you can get these two products from Plum. I just love them so much. So this one is their morning cream and this is their night cream. So this is their morning dew day cream with chamomile and white tea. This is just perfect. Again बहुत ही कम use होता है, just a drop and you're just done for the whole day. It's very, you know, बहुत ही ऐसे soothing and fresh feeling देता है and it smells amazing. Love it. And this one is priced at rupees 490 only. And ये दिखने में छोटा है but ये बहुत चलता है considering तुम्हें इसे बहुत कम use करना पड़ता है. Okay, and then you have a night cream. I know you guys are going to be flooding my comment section ki night cream, night cream, night cream. So yeah, this is the one for you guys. Again from Plum, their plush night souffle, that's how it's called, and this one is priced at rupees 590. Again, what happens with night creams is that it's very sticky. I mean that's my own personal experience. Whenever I tend to invest in night creams, they are very, it's just weird feeling on skin and you just cannot sleep at night. Matlab, it just gets you all over your hair and on your clothes, but this is not like that. This is very, you know, nice and subtle glow deta hai when you wake up in morning, not even kidding. Then I have my absolute favorite moisturizing creams from Cetaphil. You guys must be thinking दो क्यों है इसके पास and ये दो different packaging में क्यों है. So this is my traveling वाला moisturizing cream from Cetaphil and this is what I keep at home, a bigger packet. ये बहुत ही ऐसे easy होता है, ऐसे जल्दी से बस ऐसे निकालो और लगा लो, you're done. And घर के लिए, you know, you have time, तो तुम उसे अच्छे से खोल के ऐसे करके पूरा ऐसे ऐसे लगा सकते हो. So I don't know, that was my thinking when I got them. Yeah, these are the ones which I'm using from a very long time and these are the ones which even my dermatologist suggested me to use because I am having, you know, acne skin, like acne की मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा problem होती है. I have acne prone skin, also highly sensitive oily skin type. So when I apply this, it feels very sticky and a little bit oily, but after 5 minutes it just all goes away, so I'm all fine with that. Works wonder on my skin and yeah, it is suitable for all skin types. So if you're a teenager or of my age, you can definitely get this one for yourself. So guys, that was my mini नहीं लग रहा है, अब ये बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है. So this was my whole moisturizers and body lotions and everything collection for you guys. Let's stay hydrated and moisturize this winter. ये मेरी blessing है सबको. And yeah, that was it. Also one more question which I wanted to address was कि like so many of you guys ask me ki we have oily skin, so should we use these creams on our face? I would say yes, do that. Do not ever avoid or ignore using moistures on your face, even if it's winter or summer maybe, because no matter how oily your skin is, if you're just using face wash, it's gonna just rip off your natural oil as well, तो वो और ड्राई कर देता है, थोड़ी देर बाद पता चलता है. So always put cream or anything on your face, keep it moisturized. And yeah, that was my little tip right over there. So yeah, that was it for today's video. How was it? Let me know. Like and subscribe, you guys know it. I love you. Bye.